Today we will create a new module for Add-on Mart. A module which will allow sending SMS messages through a new provider. In our case, it's going to be Vonage, but the purpose is to demonstrate that it's very easy to create a module using the cloud function to connect to virtually any operator or CPaaS provider which is out there. So how does it work? Portal billing, it's a telecom billing system. It just generated an invoice, or it discovered that a customer didn't pay invoice and now it's overdue. So in addition to email notification, it also wants to send an SMS notification, which is more reliable and is more likely to draw customers' attention. Since subscriber may be on a different mobile network, different operator, and there are different ways to reach them. So portal billing doesn't want to know and overcomplicate with knowing all of the details. So what it does, it sends a message to Add-on Mart, where an SMS will be delivered then according to the choice of a telco which uses the Add-on Mart. And the idea is, in order to connect to Vonage, which uses proprietary API, or Infobee, or Telnix, or any other provider, they all use slightly different APIs. So we need some duct tape or glue to hold it together. And that's going to be our adapter, our cloud function, which will receive a message or send message request via API of Add-on Mart. It will change the parameters, and then it will send a request or pass through the request to Vonage API, which then in turn will deliver that message to the actual mobile carrier where subscriber is using the service, and subscriber will get that SMS. Why cloud functions? Because they are ideal for our purpose, which is really just a few pages of code and very simple modifications. And as a cloud provider, I'm going to be using Google Cloud. However, you are free to use AWS, Azure, or any other cloud provider of your choice. This is just for illustration purposes only. Let's proceed.